Meaning of happy slapping.
Happy slapping.
Happy slapping.
Happy slapping.
Happy slapping. Happy slapping is a type of physical assault that involves filming an unprovoked attack on a victim with a mobile phone camera. The aim is to capture footage of the victim's reaction to the attack, which is then shared online or among peers as a form of entertainment. This antisocial behavior originated in the early 2000s and has been linked to bullying, gang culture, and youth violence. The consequences can range from physical injury and psychological trauma to criminal charges for the perpetrators. Overall, happy slapping is a harmful and irresponsible trend that has no place in a civilized society.